Oh, that was just stupid. But all right, so I'm trying to untangle myself. I wanted to mess around with the intensity and speed of the reverb. Maybe not such the reverb, but the tremolo. Hear that? They call it vibrato. Let's go ahead and, on my Les Paul, fire up the JHS Bonsai Tube Screamer. And let's do some Wray. Why not? And that was that. Let me turn this thing down. As soon as you turn the intensity, I'm running through a Fender Tonemaster Twin Reverb. And as soon as it doesn't matter what you have the speed set to, as soon as you turn the intensity down to 1, the tremolo stops. So let me show you here. Here's 0. Here's 1. Then I just turn up to 7. So, which is really nice. Also, reverb on this thing. So, since I really haven't touched this in a while, so here's straight up 0 reverb on the amp. So you could hear hopefully you could hear just me messing with the reverb on the amp. Now reverb is off, and so and that was that. I don't know. Hope it sounds good. Later. Bye.